Young scholars, we're going to go over finding solutions in what we call linear and quadratic systems, okay? So we've learned about linear functions before, but we've not learned about quadratics, all right? So from what we learned today, a system is what we call a made up of two functions or more, but here we have one linear function and one quadratic function, and we can tell a function is a quadratic if they have a variable with a power of 2, or a variable raised to the second power, or with a square. Okay? So to find solutions in linear and quadratic systems, for now what we're going to do is graph them on Desmos. So if we look up here, okay, the linear function is already graphed. We're going to graph the quadratic. I'm going to go down to this calculator button in the bottom left corner, and I'm going to type in my function that I had on my paper, which is y equals x squared, and the square button is right here where it says a to the second power. Then I'm going to have, and it's subtract 5x plus 7. So I rewrote the function that was on the paper, and if we look, we have a function, the quadratic, which looks like a u, and then we already know our linear function is the straight green line. And the solutions are the point of intersection. And this is unique because there's not just one intersection, there's two. What we see here, the first intersection is at 1, 3, and the second is at 6, 13. So with linear and quadratic systems, there can be two solutions, okay? At times there might be one, and at other times there might be 0. But for this station, you're going to be practicing graphing both linear and quadratics and identifying the solution or solutions or no solution with systems like this. Good luck.